channel. Hope you're doing well. If you're new here, my name is Carly. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. So if you notice anything a bit different about me, it's because I got my hair done today. Lovely. Look at that. Beautiful hair. So today's video is going to be me doing an eyeshadow look that I love using the Carli Bybel palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now this is one of my favourite palettes. Also I love it because her name's Carly like me, but I just love it because the colours are just so unreal. Like, look at that. Dropped it. Why am I so clumsy? That's what I want to know. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to do my eyeshadow look, and then I will complete the rest of my makeup after as well, so it's like a full look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to get started with the eyes. I'm going to prep the eyelids. Oh, I look like. I'm going to prep the eyelids with my concealer, which is the NARS Radiant Creamy in shade Light 2. Perfect. So just put a bit of it on the eyelids, you know, nice and light, and then just like rub it out of my fingers, really. Banging. Right. This just gives it a nice clean base, covers any veins or any discoloration, so love a bit of that. And we're going to grab the palette, and we're going to use a brush called the MAC 224 brush, and we're going to grab the shade Bear, which is this one, and that's to set the under eye, the eyelids, not the under eyelids, the eyelids. Now set the eyelids, just like to make sure they're fully set. Bang. Right, so next we're going to go in with the shade Bybel, which is this one here, Bybel. Right, so we're going to grab that same brush and we're going to just fluff this through the crease. Do you like all the technical terms I'm using? Fluff this through the crease. I'm not even sure if that's the right terminology, but that's what I'm using. Heaven on my mind. So the next shade that we're going to use is we're going to be using the shade Boy. Okay, this is a very simple look, by the way, guys. It's my go-to, like when I go out and I want to look sultry. So that's what I'm doing today. So we're going to be using a different brush now. We're going to be using the MAC 217 brush, and yeah, the shade Boy, which is this very dark one at the end. We're just going to put a bit of that in there, tap tap tappy, and build that into the creases. So now that's blended into the crease. I do like to add a little bit more on the outer corners. So I'm grabbing Bowie, whatever it is. Bowie, I'm going to call it Bowie, B-O-I-E. I'm just going to do that and go like that. And then like on the same other, like that. Yeah, and then just blend it out. Blend it out. There we go, look at that. Perfect. I'm going to just keep building it up till the colour I like. I like quite a bold eye look because I don't really wear much makeup on the rest of my face. Like my eye area is like the main part, and maybe the lips, but yeah, that's the main part of what I like. So I like to make that bit the best. So is anyone doing anything fun this weekend? Seen any family, any friends, doing anything nice? If you are, you can let me know down in the comments. Oh, I've got something in my... Okay, there we go. Right, so I think I've added that to how I want it. So now I'm going to get my ring finger, which is this one. And I'm going to add the shimmer. Now I've got loads of shimmers at the top row here. And then a few on the bottom row. The ones on the bottom are more like pressed pigments. Well, there's one like pressed pigment on the top. And then the other ones are like not got bits in it. Like glitter, just not with bits. Don't know what that's called. I'm trying to find a technical term, but I don't know. So, we've got Mandala, Libra, Jode, and OA. Then we got Moo, Aurora, and my Angel's girlfriend. So the one I'm going to use, the one that I mainly go for are Libra, Jode, and OA. I quite like my Angels. I've not tried Aurora. So should we try Aurora today? I think so. So let me just get my little fingy and rub it in there. Oh, look at that pigment. How beautiful. I keep kicking the tripod. Right, I'm just going to apply that with my finger. That song's been in my head. Oh, look what I've done. I've got it on my skin. Well done, Carly. Right, and then a bit more of that Aurora. We like this colour, don't we? You know what I like about this this shade is that it goes with anything. Any of the colours that I like in the palette, I could just pair it with and be like, bang, done. Oh, I like that. Okay, so perfect. So that's kind of all I do with the eyes. It's a very, as I said, I love the palette because it's got a wide range of colours and it's very simple and easy to use. Like, there's just like quite a good few transitional or like blend, crease, smoky shades in this palette. If you want to go for a dramatic look, you could use the shade Stev, which I haven't used yet, and it's a very beautiful colour. I mean, that is stunning, isn't it? Imagine that on your eye. That would look stunning with the gold. Oh, so yeah, eyes done. Well, not eyes done. I've got to do. Yeah, now I'm going to do mascara. Oh. Now I've got to curl my eyelashes with my Skinny Dip curler, and I'm using the Lancome Hit Most Drama mascara. Right, that's mascara done. As you can see, I kind of got it a little bit over the place. Trust me, it'll look good in the end. Anyway, does anyone else make funny faces when they're putting the mascara on? Because I feel like that's how I concentrate. Like, if I'm opening my mouth wide and looking weird like a fish or something else, I'm putting my mascara on, that's how I concentrate. So now we're going to cover up them bags of shame with some concealer again, using the same one, NARS Uno Memento. Right, so now I've sorted out that fiasco, I'm going to put concealer under my eyes to cover up my shameful bags, and also mistakes from eyeshadow and mascara. So I just put it under my eyes like that. So concealer's blended in. Now we're going to powder under the eyes using the RCMA No Colour Powder with my setting brush, Real Techniques. Next is going to be contour, well, bronzer. So we're going to be using, dropping everything, aren't I? Okay, we're going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow. All darlings. Right, and we're going to be using the Real Techniques bronzer brush. I don't think it's called that, but that's what I'm calling it. Getting the bronzing shade and going into my cheek to give me that skinny face look, like I've not ate Peace off dinner. There we go, branded done. Sorry to any makeup artists watching, but this is just how I do my makeup. If it's wrong, I don't give a crap. Was going to swear, but I'm not going to do that because I don't swear on YouTube. So now I'm going to go for some highlight using the Pure Afterglow highlighter. That's it. And then we're using the brush Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter FO3. Banging. We're going to give it a little bit of that, a little bit of that. Tappy tappy. Look at that glow. Popping, girl. You know what? I always just love looking like I'm glowing from within. Like I'm from heaven. You know, that's always the goal. And we try and achieve it. So, next is eyebrows. Now I will go from hair in my mouth. Now I will go from she-devil to person that looks normal with eyebrows. Don't really know what else to say. Oh! I'm using the Browsings by Benefit in shade 3 with the MAC 255 brush. Couldn't see it. It's all rubbed off. Wish me luck. Eyebrows are done. As you can see in that little zoomed clip, that fastened clip, I thought I already messed them up with the one stroke, but I didn't, so that was good. And oh, one last step. Forgot. Yeah? Okay. So everyone, the last step is going to be some lip gloss, and this is the Kiko Milano lip gloss in shade 17 of 3D Hydra. Add a bit of that. Oh, look at that gloss. Beautiful. So everyone, that's my finished makeup look. As you can see, I've got mascara on my eyelids because I'm not a makeup artist. So there we go. That's my finished makeup look. Love it. Really hope you do too. So if you did love it, please subscribe down below. Like my video, comment down below any suggestions you have, anything you liked, any products you would recommend to me, and anything you think in the comments. And also share it with your family and friends, and turn on that notification bell. Yes, girls and boys, turn it on. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, see you later, bye.